Hi guys, welcome to this episode of Honest Straightforward Reviews. In this episode, we'll be looking at the Solo Loop in the yellow color. Now, this is the 44mm for the 44mm watch, and it is 7 in size. Now, what I wanted to touch with you guys is the size that Apple has this measuring tool and also some kitchen objects that you can use to measure. When I measured with those, I was a size 11. I tried size 11, 10 and 9. In Victoria, everything was closed, so I couldn't go to an Apple store. So they opened recently. I went and tried everything. I'm happy with the size 7. You will see it's a tiny bit tight on me, but they loosen up. So I didn't want it to get 8, which was really snug and nice, and then it loosened to the point that I didn't like it. So anyways, let's get into this. Now, this color, first of all, is known as God knows what. I think it's got it. Hey, there you go. It's called ginger, which sounds a lot better. And I think if it was gingerish, would have been a lot better than yellow. This looks very yellow to me. So let's, without further ado, get this unboxing started. So ginger Solo Loop. And if you wanted to watch my Series 6 or SE unboxing with the braided Solo Loop or the normal Solo Loop in there, you can also look at my channel. I've got it in there. I'll also have it linked at the end of this video. So now that's what you get in there. So that's the box. Get this out of the way. You've got the warranty paperwork and you've got the band in there. All right, so let's get the band out. This here, by the way, they're doing all their information here on that page. On this page, they're not giving out any more documentation. All right, that's how you get it out. So that's the Solo Loop. There you go. They're very stretchy compared to the normal sports band. Okay, now let's look at it how it looks with my gold Apple Watch Series 5. Now, a lot of people have commented it looks rose gold. It does look rose gold and it looks stupid. The Series 5 stainless steel gold is the most gold, proper gold looking. Even the Series 6 gold is not as good. I've looked at all of them. Now, let's get this underway. So that side, the side with the bit of a groove, that goes underneath and the writing, and the other side goes outside. Doesn't matter which side goes where, but that's how I'm putting it on. Now, let's get this on. As you can see, from 11 to size 7, there's a massive difference. And as you can see, it does look a tiny bit tight, okay? But with time, this will loosen up. Okay, and it says that on their website as well. I'm going to give this a try, and Apple's got a fantastic thing where you can give it a try for a few couple of weeks. If you don't like it, you can always return it. So I'm going to give the 7 a try. I didn't want to get the 8 and then be disappointed. Let me know what you think of the color. I was going to go with light blue, but then I never had yellow color or ginger. So let me know what you guys think of this color and whether it suited the gold or would it look better with the stainless steel. All right, guys, thanks for watching. You have a good day.
Okay guys, thanks for watching that video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you aren't subscribed, please do subscribe, give it a like and follow us on Patreon as well and support us to see more content. Thank you. Bye.